What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and today we have a little bit different of a video for you. I'm excited to do this one, guys. As you know, over the last week, we experienced one of the largest silver price drops in history. A single week where we dropped dollars. In fact, it was 17.40 or 50 at the beginning of the week, and at the end of the week, it dropped all the way down to it closed out at 14.68. So all the way from the mid 17s down to 14.68. So I happen to know a guy who is a coin dealer, but not only is he a coin dealer, he's a very large bullion dealer, and he is doing a coin show this weekend. I talked to him earlier, and he agreed to answer a few questions for us right here. So I thought I would bring him on via voice. Now, he didn't want to share his name, so we're just going to call him John. But I wanted to bring him on via voice and ask him a few questions and discuss the situation with silver prices going down, and the fact that it seems like most of the silver dealers, including the online dealers, as well as your local dealers, seem to be running out of silver, period. So I wanted to get his thoughts on that. So like I said, we're going to keep his name anonymous, so we're going to call him John. So let's go ahead and get John on the phone and see what he has to say. Okay, guys. Well, we have John on the phone with us right now. And like I said, he's a coin dealer that not only is he a coin dealer, but he's a large bullion dealer. And he happens to be doing a coin show this weekend. Again, we're going to keep him anonymous. We're just going to call him John. John, how are you today?
Okay. How are you doing, Mr. Seeker?
I'm doing okay. He knows my real name, so he thinks it's odd that he has to call me Mr. Seeker. But he doesn't want me to call him his real name either. So I think we're okay with this, right? So anyway, you're obviously doing a coin show this weekend, and you saw what happened to spot prices. What are your thoughts on what spot did this week?
Well, we are seeing right now for you guys out there. We'll let you guys know we are dealing with what they call fool's market. If you're dumping today, you're going to lose a lot of money.
And why do you think that?
Not,
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
because it's not a true market right now. We got this virus going around. Everybody's running scared. They're shutting down a lot of stuff, and it's making people wonder where it's going to go. If you look at the stock market today, there's no way that stock market should have went up when they're closing it down yesterday twice.
Right.
It's basically gold and silver has always been a strong point. And right now, we got what they call fool's market. I mean, if somebody's up there playing games. You got guys out there buying like crazy today, and they're trying to buy it cheap.
Right. They're trying to buy it really cheap. In fact, I was talking to a buddy of mine who said that stock futures are showing a ton of silver being sold, like millions of dollars worth of silver being sold in the market. You think that's part of them just playing with the market?
Yes, I do.
So
the problem is what you're seeing on paper is just remember, do they really have the physical? Always ask yourself that.
Right, and I've always told people that it's like what you actually have in your hand is what you actually have. I know the paper market's
That's
so
physical.
Different. Right.
Yeah, because a lot of them don't really have that silver in hand. They're playing a market.
Right, so they can sell millions of ounces, and they can drop the price, and then they can just buy it back, at a lower price and pocket the difference, basically, right?
Correct.
And
just
so
like we had a company who deals with IRAs wanting me to back their silver. I would not do it because I don't know what they're selling out there. You don't know what they're selling. Right. So we turned them down.
Gotcha. So in regards to the physical market, like, we've looked at, like APMEX and JM Bullion and ST Bullion and all them big bullion dealers online, Money Metals, they're showing 5 to 6 week delivery times now. So if you order silver from them, they're literally saying, well, you can order it, but it's going to be 5 to 6 weeks. And additionally, the premiums on the silver are really high. So yesterday you could buy, if you bought 500 ounces at once, you could get it for 75 cents. And now it's $1.69 over spot. For the same silver, yeah. And you have to wait 4 to 6 weeks. Why is that?
Because they're banking on that somebody's going to get foolish and dump on their market, and they can replace it. If they try to replace it immediately, they have silver, but they don't want to take the loss.
Gotcha.
So they're going to be playing with your money.
So what they're doing is you're giving them your money, and then you're waiting for 6 weeks. They're taking your money and using it to buy cheaper silver that they're then going to send to you. Is what you're saying?
You are correct, and it's not the first time they've done that. They've done it in '82. They've done it in 2011. It's just, I've been doing this for many years, so you really got to really watch what you're really buying.
Right.
And for people that's selling, you're a fool if you sell.
So with the premiums being up, even though the premiums are up, you still think it's a really good idea for people to buy, even if they have to pay a little bit more. So, if they were paying $4,
yes,
okay,
yes, I would buy. I'm a buyer. I walked this show not selling anything. I told everybody I was buying, and I offered a premium. I didn't try to buy it at spot. I didn't try to buy it at 50 cents. I was offering anywhere from 75 cents to $1 over.
And is that for generic silver?
That's for generic silver.
Right. Okay.
That's for generic silver. Yeah. And to some of the founder companies I talk, they don't want to discuss business with me until Monday. They want to see what this market, because we are a heavy buyer, so they got to really watch what they're selling to me.
Gotcha. So they just don't want to lock in at all because they're just worried that it's going to go up and they're going to be locked in at too low of a number.
Correct.
Gotcha. So, I mean, obviously this is all your opinion, so I'm not going to tell people, hey, go buy. But my point is from what
I'm
you
willing
see,
to put 100 to 200,000 right back into the market right now. I would love to buy at these numbers at the regular price it was.
Right.
Right now, nobody wants to sell it for that.
Yeah, no, that totally makes sense.
So why should the public sell for that?
Right. So in other words, people need to basically hold or buy. Again, in your opinion, of course. I mean,
in my opinion, of course.
Right.
In my opinion, if I was on the other foot, I wasn't the bullion dealer. I was the public. Even at $1.50, $2, $3, it's a strong market to buy at right now.
Right. Okay, that makes total sense.
Markets over the years have been manipulated many a times. They're just using this disease to control another market.
Gotcha. So what's the general consensus, at the coin show? What's it like on the floor? I mean, is anybody selling anything, or are they just all
they're selling collectible jewelry pieces and collectible.
Right. So
they are not. Everybody has pulled their silver.
So it's basically just numismatic pieces and jewelry and stuff like that. No.
Yeah. There is no bullion being sold on the floor.
Wow, that's crazy. Because
even silver dollars today, I didn't drop my prices on piece dollars. I sell piece dollars at $17 a piece. I had a guy come up and bought them all, didn't think about it.
Wow.
162 pieces.
Wow.
Because he said he ain't worried about the market either. And this is an individual. This is not a dealer.
Right.
That is not scared of the market because he thinks they're fooling with it again.
Right. What? So I actually saw you at a show back in January, and I mean there was bullion everywhere. I bought a bunch of it. I actually did a video on my channel. And it just seems funny to me that nobody's selling it. It's just crazy. So it's interesting. Where is the show that you're at, by the way?
We are sitting in Edmond, Oklahoma today. Baltimore was canceled because of what's going on.
And they didn't cancel the one in Edmond. So I mean, I'm sure that was probably
no. They did not. Did not cancel the one in Edmond. It's a little smaller show. Any show that's got more than 200 dealers is being canceled today.
Oh wow. So this is a smaller one. Are there a lot of customers? Have a lot of people walked in?
There was actually a lot of people.
Gotcha. Okay.
There was a lot of people, but once again, they were asking for bullion. Nobody was selling. And I don't blame them. If you could get it for the market today, that's awesome. But you're not. You're not going to get it on today's market.
Right. You're gonna, or if you do, you're just going to pay a really high premium on it.
Because even us bullion dealers have to pay a premium right now. That's why I'm walking around offering 75 cents to $1 just to buy it so I can have it to hedge out the stuff I have.
Right, and a week ago you probably wouldn't have dreamed about paying $1, right?
No, I would never have dreamed of that. I'm usually paying around spot or maybe 25 cents back.
Right.
In today's market, I'm walking around. I'm one of the bigger buyers, offering crazy money.
Wow.
And I wasn't the only one. There was another dealer there who just came to walk the show to try to buy as much silver as he could. None on the floor to buy.
Man, that's crazy. I mean, it makes sense because, like I said, I saw another YouTube channel that did a video that they went to their coin shop and bought as much as they could because the premium or the spot
Well,
had went down.
we just had one dealer pack his silver up. He don't live that far from this show. He's taking it back because he ain't gonna sell it on these numbers.
Right.
And even though me and another dealer was walking the floor, even at the numbers we was offering, they would not sell.
Man. Well, that is definitely interesting. Is there anything else about like this market that piques your interest or that you would want to share with people before we go?
No. I would tell people right now to stay away from gold. Put your money in silver because you have never seen silver trading 106 to 1.
Right.
This is the first time ever.
Yeah, that I did notice that it was like 104 to 1 early is what I saw. So 106 to 1 now.
It's
just
106 to 1 right now. It's just asinine. Never has it ever been this way. Never.
That is crazy. I almost want to take all my gold and just buy silver with it.
That's why I was trying to buy silver on the floor.
Right.
I'd rather have silver than gold right now, and I've always told people that for the last year that you should be buying silver, not gold.
Gotcha. Awesome. Well,
Okay.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, that's okay.
Oh, I thought you were done, so I was just gonna thank you for
I
your
am
time.
done. I am done. Not a problem, Mr. Seeker. I appreciate you.
All right, and thank you, sir, and I really appreciate it, and maybe we'll talk again sometime. And it was good seeing you at the show in January.
Thank you, and it was good seeing you.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye.
Well, guys, there you go. Some inside information from someone in the industry right now at a coin show during the week where silver dropped. So it was nice to get some behind-the-scenes input and hear what he had to say as far as the market right now. So some very telling signs that silver's probably going to go back up. Again, we don't know. This is all speculation. And, of course, everything in this video is opinion. So please, as far as buying or selling your gold, silver, platinum, palladium, whatever precious metal, please make your own judgment call and do not use the opinions of myself or people on this channel to do that. It's obviously only an opinion, and I'm happy to share it with you, but please understand that your decisions are your own. So I don't want you to get mad at me because you go out and buy 500 ounces and it drops to 12. So that's all I'm saying. But anyway, it was some really good insight, and I definitely appreciate you guys joining me. And again, thank you to John. And guys, we will see you in the next video. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Above me, you can click and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Up here, you can check out some of my other videos. And then over here, guys, there's a huge shout out to all of my silver, gold, and platinum channel members. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.